Hello folks, thanks for stopping by again. Today doing a quick review on these. The Rukka Virium 3-season Gore-Tex glove. If you're interested, stick around and we'll review them. Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today, just going to do a quick review on these Rukka Virium 3-season Gore-Tex gloves. So let's get into them. Starting at the back of the glove, you have two different versions. You have these, which are the men's one, called the Virium. You also have the women's version, which is called the Suki. The main difference between the two is size and also slight variations in the colourway. On the men's, you have three colours, or three colour options should I say. Grey, with a grey panel here and some grey stitching. You have the all black, so this panel here is black, and you also have a high-vis yellow. Again, where I've got grey panelling and grey stitching, that is replaced by high-vis yellow. On the women's version, my understanding is that it's black or pink. Also on the back of the glove here, you have a 3M reflective panel in the design of the Rukka logo. The glove is secured by two straps, one wrist strap there and a cuff strap there. Nice and easy to hold onto your hand, and it just makes the glove feel nice and secure. Staying on the back of the glove, you then move up to here where you have a hardened plastic knuckle protector. And then on these three fingers you have hardened plastic minor knuckle pads as well. Also on the reverse of the glove here, you can see it there, you have a wiper blade. And to be fair, having used these in the rain, I do find this glove to have one of the best built-in visor cleaners and visor blades that are available on gloves that I've tried. Moving on to the fingers, at the ends there on both the left and the right, you have touch. You can use a touch screen, sat nav, phone, iPad, whatever you want to use to actually maneuver and get more information, so you don't always have to take your glove off. These are a totally fabric glove, so if you're vegan, these are a good glove for you because there is no biological product in them whatsoever. The fabric on the back of the glove is slightly stretchy, so what I would recommend is if you do like the look of them, try them on. Maybe go a size slightly smaller because they do give a little bit. Moving on to the inside of the glove, you have a suede-like material on the palm. Also, you have some grip dots, not only on the palm, but also on the ends of the fingertips as well. Also on the palm, there, and in the crack between forefinger and thumb. So reinforced areas which will naturally get worn down just by natural use. You also have a scaphoid protector, so if you happen to have an accident, and have an unscheduled dismount, then the scaphoid protector actually allows your hand to roll along the tarmac rather than digging in, which will help to reduce injury to both the scaphoid bone and subsequently then your collarbone. What do I think of them? They are a great 3-season glove. Rukka have designed them to be for spring, summer, autumn. They are not thermal, so if your depths of winter, they will not give you any warming properties. However, that being said, if like me you have heated grips, they do work really well in winter. Obviously not the depths of winter, but they do work well in winter. They are Gore-Tex and they are laminated, so the waterproofing Gore membrane is laminated to the outer fabric of the glove. What that does mean is when you take the glove off, you don't end up pulling the lining out with it. Being Gore-Tex, unless it's extremely hot, they will help to keep your hands at a regular temperature. So they're breathable as well as being waterproof. For me, these are a really comfortable, good grip glove. They feel, to be fair, more like a trials glove. They're that thin when you're actually wearing them. And for general day-to-day touring, commuting, and general riding, they're great. Really are nice. Easy to live with. The only thing I would say with them though, because they're Rukka, they're not cheap. Retail at the moment, end of April 2020, you're looking at around about £140 UK sterling for them, which isn't a cheap glove, but you do pay for what you get. They are really comfortable, nice and easy, and I've had these since the end of last year, and they're now becoming my go-to glove. The nice thing with these is, here in the UK, it's often cold or wet, and even if it's not when you leave the house, you may find it gets wet whilst you're out. But say, general riding, these are ideal. Really nice glove. Sizing, they come in from extra small, which is a UK size 6.5, and they go all the way up to a 4XL, which is a UK size 14. So if you're interested in them, I can highly recommend them. As I say, I use these. Are a really good glove, and I can't really recommend them highly enough. Nice and comfy, easy to live with. They're Gore-Tex, your hand's not going to sweat, and these are now my go-to glove. And once this lockdown is over, I'm sure I'll be using them a heck of a lot more. If you like the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification button. Thanks very much.